Guys, today I'm gonna teach you on how you install your face watch in your Huawei GT5 Pro. That's my watch. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like. So in Huawei before you can install your own watch or the watch you find it out of the store, but now you cannot do it anymore. So what do you need? You need the third-party app for installing, and then after that you could go back to Huawei again. But the problem with Huawei, when you go back again, everything will be erased, so even the install. So I figure out some way to make it work. So basically you need to go to your Huawei watch and then you make sure you logged out. If you're not logging out, just log out. Okay, after you log out, go to notify for Huawei, click it, and then go home button, go up, click the three dots, click repair watch, confirm, pair, get a banned account. Actually I think I put it, but I'm not sure for you guys. So click force to stop, try to do it. If it couldn't work, no problem, just go back to notify me again, click next, complete, agree, and then your app is working. Just try to try to sync it again to make sure. So go to my device or device and then go lower, go to update watch face, and then go to your own watch that you saved it, which is HWT file. Just click on it and click install. This is all you need. So every time you have your own design, you have a new watch face, do the same method over and over. So go back again, go home, the three dots in the left top, go lower, exit app, make sure the app is off. So when you exit the app, go to Huawei again and then go log in. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video and then I'm gonna log in. Okay, after you log in, you just go to devices, connect, okay, and then it's connected. So the device you installed, the face you installed a while ago, it's there, but you cannot see it in my faces here in Huawei because it's from the third party, but it's sure there, so you can install the free faces here. At the same time your third party face is there already. So that's it. And then if you need to upload a new design or upload a new face, do the same method. Go to me, log out, and then same thing, go make sure it's Huawei it's off, go to notify for Huawei, and then the same thing, do it and over again. The reason why I'm doing this, because I saw how people are struggling to do their own design or to do their third party, because I see in the internet telling you download this app, download that app, which is all not working. This didn't work for me. And then I see the struggle. I saw some people even paying money for some people in the I don't know what it's called, and then they struggle. I'm seeing a lot of people are struggling, so that's why when I figure out this way, I say to myself, I need to show it to others. So next video, I'm gonna make a video for how you can design your own face watch and then upload it to your own or how to edit some faces, because this is the thing. You see a face watch and then you want to edit it, you eager to edit it, but you cannot do it. So also I figure out some way, and then I'm gonna upload it soon. Okay, thank you for watching. Sorry for the long video, and then I hope you like and subscribe.